It's on video. This is us trying to find Mr. Edwards. Do you see her? She's probably in the condom section. Did you get it? Where the hell did she go? She popped up. She's hiding. She's in camouflage. Seriously, where is she? Probably buying flowers for herself. She has a husband. Oh, really? Yeah. Did he help her fall down the stairs? She's Mrs. Edwards. No, she's Miss. No, she's not. She's Mrs. Oh, maybe she's in the bread. Where are you? Maybe she's at Starbucks. Okay, where the heck should she go? We're getting in trouble from his boss. We have a camera. Hurry up. Run, dear, run! Whoa. Where the heck is she?